Hi, and welcome to our video of how we spent 5 days in Portugal before going to Azores. On day 1, we roamed around Alfama in the morning, exploring the street and just getting a feel of the city. We also went to Time Out Market. This is a great place to eat as they have a huge variety of stores with a nice sitting place. You can try unique foods here. In the afternoon, we took a bus to Lagos as we wanted to experience the nature of Algarve. In the evening, we walked around Ponta da Piedade Boardwalk trail. The next morning, we took an Uber to the 7 Hanging Valleys trail. Ubers are pretty cheap and it only costs around 20 euros for a 45-minute ride. I would suggest to do this instead of trying to figure out the bus schedule, as it will take a long time and it gets quite hot later in the day. It's absolutely breathtaking and you pass some amazing cliffs with turquoise water. Just make sure you bring lots of water as there aren't many places along the way. We also stopped at a beach on the way, which was quite refreshing. It has a cliff on the side where you can climb and go inside it. After, we continued our walk as the beach is just around halfway. The whole hike took around 4 hours and it's not difficult at all. In the evening, we went back to Ponta da Piedade for a sunset as it's super famous. There are lots of people around and the boardwalk goes on for hours, so you can really walk around and soak in the view. The next morning, we walked from our hotel to the pier. We decided to take a catamaran to see some dolphins. Seeing them in the open is really an experience and we saw lots of them. After about 45 minutes, we went to see the famous Benagil Caves. They also took us inside some big caves and we rode right by the cliffside to get a different perspective from hiking. Later, we got lunch by the pier and continued with our second boat tour of the day. The second boat we took was smaller, and the reason was we wanted to go by the Ponta da Piedade in the water and go through all the caves. Big boats can't do this, so taking a smaller boat is a really different experience from what we took in the morning. We went through so many caves on this tour, and we had a great time. Later, we went to the beach, and the beaches here are super nice, so we spent an hour here. In the evening, we went to Ponta da Piedade, but this time to see the famous cliffs that we didn't get a chance to see earlier. At night, we went to downtown Lagos to get some food and enjoy our last night. Next day, we went back to Lisbon and got there in the evening. We walked around and took the famous tram 28. This is definitely an experience as it winds down narrow roads and goes up the entire hill of Alfama. After we got off the tram, we walked around downtown and caught a FIFA game with thousands of people watching in the middle of the square. The next morning, we took an Uber to Sintra. We started our day with visiting the famous National Palace of Pena. It's so colorful and super beautiful. It is very crowded, so try to book online and get the slot as early as possible. You also get a great view of the city as the castle sits very high. After the castle, we walked through the castle property to get down to the town. It's a vast property, and we went through the valley of the lakes. We got lunch in the town of Sintra and then continued to our second stop of the day, the Quinta da Regaleira. This is where you get to see the famous initiation walk. After this, we walked around the area as it's fully surrounded by forest, so it's a great walk. The castle is super unique and it's made with Gothic style, so it's definitely a must-see. In the evening, we returned to Alfama and walked around downtown and saw the oldest elevator, which was built in 1902. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe.